In this video, we're going to do something similar to the count if we did in the last video, only this time we're going to do a sum of all of the scores when there's a specific record. So let's show you how this works. Equals sum if, and then we've got the range. So what we want to do is get the range of the space where we're going to do the criteria. So let's take this one all the way down to the bottom. Well, in fact, we could just do the whole row. That'll be easier. The whole column. And the criteria is going to be netball. I'm just typing in the word netball here. Just keep in mind that you could also be using a formula to work out what that is, to actually obtain the lookup criteria. But for now, we'll just type it in. And then our actual sum range, because you obviously can't add up the word, sum up the word netball, the sum range is going to be column E. So we've got sum if column C equals netball, then get the total of all of the column E values. So we've got 4,886.1. If we tried a different sport, say basketball, we'll get a slightly different number. So let's go back to netball, since that's the headline I've put in there. And there we go.